In this video, let us see how to make use of GATE test series. If you are a GATE aspirant, definitely you are going to enroll for a test series. But how much you are going to make use of it? So that we will see in this video. GATE test series, it's like a nitro boost to your GATE preparation. But when and how to make use of this boost, how to make use of this GATE test series. If you are playing car racing games, you use nitro boost at a particular situation. You will not keep on simply using it, and you will use it at the right time. So the same goes for GATE test series also. It is like a boost in your GATE preparation journey. So you should use it at the right time, and you should analyze the test series. If you are not analyzing, it is like you are wasting the nitro for nothing. So it is not like you just opt for a test series and you will score 40 to 50 marks in GATE. So that does not happen. So GATE test series is a tool in your preparation, just like you're studying concept, just like you're revising, just like you're practicing previous year questions. Test series is another part of it. So let's say you have prepared only 40% of the syllabus and you know how to solve past year questions for that 40% of the syllabus. So this test series will help you improve your preparation level from 40 to 45 or 50%. It is not going to be like, okay, now I'll be able to answer 80% of the question. That does not happen. So why should you still give this test series? Even that 10% improvement can make a huge improvement in score. Like if you see the mark difference between GATE rank 100 and GATE rank 300, it is just going to be like 3 to 4 marks. That is just extra 5 to 10% in your preparation. So before we go on to see how to make full use of this test series, let us see when to give this test series. You can give the test when you have completed like a subject. Even if you have completed 80% of the subject, you can give it. Just don't leave it too late. What happens is some people wait for the perfect time to give the test. Like you study once, then you revise twice, then you keep on doing the cycle. But by then, if it is January and you are trying to attempt a test, even if you find mistakes and analyze your test series, there is simply no time. After that, there is no time for you to improvement, as the exam is approaching just within a month. So as long as you complete 80% of a subject, start giving the subject test, and when you complete like 80% of the syllabus, you can start giving full length test. So from that 80%, you'll keep on improving. From test, you'll analyze the mistakes and so on. Now going to the most important aspect, how does a test series help? So the first and foremost thing is it improves your overall performance if you analyze the test series properly. So a lot of students, what happens is you complete a subject, you are able to solve previous year questions and you're confident. But when you give a test series, you are just able to solve 50% of them. So that could happen due to various reasons. Either your concepts are not strong or you are making silly mistakes. But all these things you have to figure out much before the exam. So this is where the test series comes into play. So we prepare well, we think we have prepared well, but in the exam hall there are certain things which changes. What happens is you are surrounded by a different atmosphere. Every gate aspirant is sitting next to you giving an exam in a computer, and there are absolutely no distractions. It is generally very silent, and the test interface is different from when you solve from a workbook or something. And another thing is you cannot check solutions just after solving a question. So what happens is every one of us has this bad habit. You just attempt a question, you just attempt a question, and after that you just go ahead and directly check the solution because your mind is eager to know whether your mind is eager whether you have done it right or not. But in exam hall it's entirely different. You can't even check the solutions till you complete the exam. You have to be focused for 3 hours and you cannot think of anything else. So that is a very different atmosphere, and test series helps you get used to that atmosphere. If you're facing this problem, like you are able to solve the questions after the test easily, but during the test you are unable to solve the problems, so such things can improve only if you only if you attempt this test in an exam setting, and it will definitely help you in GATE. So even if you don't have access to a lot of test series, what you have to do is just pick randomly some 10 questions from a good textbook, but solve them with a timer. So over time, try to analyze where you are going wrong, you are unable to understand the question if there is a time pressure. So all those things try to find out. So the most important thing to remember is test series is a tool in your preparation. Test series marks is definitely not equal to GATE marks. So with every test, you have to find out what is your mistake. You have to keep improving upon them. So obviously, it is not going to reflect your GATE score. So don't get demotivated if you are like getting very less marks in the beginning. All you have to do is you have to analyze, find out the mistakes and improve on them, and keep on improving your performance in the test series. As long as you're doing that, you're doing the right thing in your GATE preparation journey. Let us say you are attempting a test and you are coming across a question which you have never seen earlier. So this will, like, let's say you have not studied widening or such topics, you will get to know by this test series if you have missed that topic. So if you have missed that topic or missed a concept, just do not panic. What you have to do is it is very good that you have figured out much before the exam that you have missed this topic. So just study that concept and move on to the next topics. And it will also help you in applying the concepts. You have studied a lot of concepts, like you also understand the concept behind the question, but sometimes you be like, how to approach this question, should I apply this method or should I apply this formula? So many things run in our head. So sometimes you are not able to, even after knowing the concept. So at that time, so what you have to do is just after the test series, you have to mark it like you did not know how to apply this concept. Now you should be happy that you have crossed the first stage of preparation. You are understanding the question. The only thing is you are not used to applying concept in a particular way for that question. So for that, just after the test series, try to spend some 10 minutes on that question. Try to break down the question into 2 or 3 parts, and then start solving it. Later, focus on reducing the time to solve that question. And if you see, like in GATE, a lot of new questions come apart from similar to previous year questions. Like you will suddenly see a question which you have never seen before. This is definitely going to happen in GATE. But how do you tackle such a situation? So for that, you have to get enough practice with new questions. Whether the same thing comes or not, it does not matter. But your mind will get adjusted to seeing totally new questions. So test series helps you in bringing the awareness to a diverse set of questions. Sometimes you will also reach a situation in the exam that when the question is presented to you, even when it is a totally new question, you would have had the logic worked out beforehand for most of the questions. So this is what in our APSCD test series and our open test also. So this is what we aim to do. So we try to give you as much new questions as possible at GATE level so that your mind gets adjusted to tackling such questions. And another important thing where test series helps, like we talked, is your time management, and also you'll start to understand which questions to skip. So if you know you cannot solve these questions, why to waste that 5 minutes on that question? You can use it to solve all the other questions you know. But you should not realize like, okay, after solving it for 5 minutes, you should not realize you can't solve it. So that should not happen. So test series will again help you in that. You will slowly start to understand which question to skip, which questions, just by looking at it you should be able to know if you can solve it or not. So all those things test series is totally going to help you. And if you ask me, just like after giving 50 tests, will my score improve automatically? No, that is not going to happen unless you analyze the test series. So you can improve your score only by analyzing the test series and slowly improving your accuracy. So find out what sort of mistakes you are making in the test. Whether instead of giving the answer in Newton per meter square, you gave in Newton per millimeter square. So such small things like error in units, or you made a calculation error, or you copied a wrong value from a question. Like let's say some depth is given as 6.5 meter, but you while solving it you take it as 3.5 meter for some reason. So such things. So find out exactly what mistakes you have done. So if you keep a clean rough book after every test and write down whatever calculations you are making, it will be easy for you to check later. And you can also see some other mistakes will be like you might have totally missed out studying that topic, or it's not clear, or sometimes you're unable to apply the concept. So you can classify these errors, work on them, and start improving your accuracy. Another important thing is it will help you set a strategy for the final exam. Here I am not going to give you what should be your strategy, because for every person the strategy differs. So you should figure out what works for you. So for some people they just attempt all the 2 marks first, then go to 1 mark. Some people what they do after they have solved a problem, they check their solution then and there if they have done it right. Some people check it at the end, and some people just pick random questions which are easy, solve them first, then go to others. So there are different strategies. You can keep half an hour for checking later. Some people check then and there. So whatever is the strategy, try to implement it in test series and figure out what works for you, then try and implement that in the final exam. Even if you're attempting very less tests, do not worry about it. As long as you're analyzing it, you are the one at an advantage. So just go for a good test series and start analyzing them. It does not matter how many you attempt. The first and foremost thing is you have to like analyze it and then make full use of it. So overall it will definitely help you improving your preparation level. If you have any more questions, like after listening to this, and even if you have more questions on how to attempt the test series, or what, there'll be some question which is bothering you, so definitely do comment about it. We will try and take it up in part 2 of this video. If you are a civil engineering student and if you are a civil engineering GATE aspirant, do check out our GATE test series. So there is a limited offer running right now. You can go ahead and take it. So we have made sure that there are as many new questions as possible, and students get to practice them, and you get to practice them, and you'll definitely get an extra edge over others. And also you can make use of our open test. So you can just download our app APACD from the Play Store, and you can stay up to date with all our resources. If we have enough questions from you, we will definitely make a part 2 for this video. If you are looking how to prepare for GATE 2021, so we have two study packages which are very suitable for you. One is premium study package and other is basic study package. So basic study package is the affordable version, and in premium study package you get extra access to practice questions, study plan, formula cards and so on. But the basic thing is we have very precise lectures for every topic along with study material and doubt support. You can make use of that. So all you have to do is go to Play Store and download our app APACD, or you can always visit our website learn.apacd.in. So this is our courses website. You can also sign up from here. And going forward, we are also coming up with more open tests and test series. So keep watching this page for more videos. And if you have not subscribed, do subscribe for our channel.